Good evening, children. Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, and we'll start from that very portion where we stopped last time. Now, as we saw that Portia was also appreciating Bassanio's triumph. How did she appreciate? By appreciating by saying that she was nothing if there were no Bassanio. If there were no Bassanio, she would be nothing. Now, she feels that Bassanio is the reason behind her real beauty, behind her real status and royal standard. If there were no Bassanio, there would be no one to appreciate all those qualities, those are hidden inside her. Now it is her opinion. We may not be thinking the same as she thinks. So I would be travel 20 times myself. It is because of Bassanio's appreciation, what she feels that she is 20 times more beautiful, 20 times more beautiful than the term beautiful. I might in virtues, 1,000 times more fear, 10,000 times more rich. That only to stand high in your account, she can make herself 20 times more rich, 10,000 times more rich, 10,000 times more beautiful in order to stand high in your account. That means in order to stand in Bassanio's appreciation. That means to make herself appropriate, to make herself worthy, to be appreciated by Bassanio. One more thing, today I am going to send, or today or by tomorrow I am going to send the answers for workbook. Don't go through those answers blindly. Just read, have an idea. Here we will learn one thing, to the point answer. So that we will discuss in another video. That is going to be very important, children. Next, that only to stand high in your estimation. She can do all these things in order to be more beautiful, more rich in front of Bassanio. I might in virtues, beauties, living and friends. Virtues mean her kindness. If you look at her kind nature, if you look at her beauty, if you look at her standard of living and her friends, friend means our royal and rich friends, exceed amount, she had everything. Exceed amount means she has more than enough. But the full of sum of me is sum of something. But if you make one sum of everything, one summary of gist of everything, she is very valueless, she is very little. Which in to term in gross, in total, if you make one estimation, is an unlessoned, unschooled, unpracticed girl. All these meanings are provided. If you look at your right hand side, uneducated, untrained and inexperienced girl. If you make one estimation of her character, she feels if anyone makes an estimation of her character, she is unschooled, she is unlessoned and unpracticed. That means she is not that much of quality, she feels. If you make one estimation of her, but she feels today she is a worthy person, she is schooled, she is lessoned and she is practiced only because of Bassanio. As I told you before, that beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. So here Bassanio is the beholder and the beauty lies in his eyes. Happy in this, she is not yet so old, but she is happy. She is unlessoned, unpracticed, but she is happy. There is a reason behind it. She is not yet so old, but she may learn. She is not too old to learn, or she is not so old that she cannot learn. She can learn from Bassanio. And from whom she will learn? She can only learn from Bassanio. Happier than this, she is not bred so dull. Bred so dull means fool or one dull person who has no intelligence at all. She is not yet so old, but she may learn. Happier than this, she has more reason to be happy. What is the reason? That she is not bred so dull. She is not born or brought up in such dull way, but she can learn. That means she can learn. Those people who cannot learn, they are actually fools. They may think that they know many things, but actually if they stop, if they close the window of learning, that means they are just entering the kingdom of fools. She is not like that. She is not a fool. She is not born or brought up as a fool. So, what is he saying? That she is ready to learn and she is happy for that reason. She is not bred so dull, but she can learn. Happiest of all is that her gentle spirit. Her spirit is very gentle, very loyal, and very humble. It commits itself to your to be directed, and it commits means directs itself. So, Portia's spirit, that means energy or enthusiasm, that directs Portia or commits Portia to be yours, to be directed by you. That means to be directed, to be ordered, to be advised, to be taught by Bassanio. So, number one, she is not born so dull that she cannot learn. Number two, she what is written? She has a gentle spirit, and more than that, what? That she is ready to learn from Bassanio, and her gentle spirit will surely allow her to be taught by Bassanio. As from her lord, her governor, her king. Lord, governor, and king, all these three terms are actually indicating Bassanio. Myself and what is mine to you and yours. Now, whatever belongs to Portia now belongs to Bassanio. Now they are going to exchange rings, and with the exchange of ring, they will exchange all the authorities and all the other things that they have, they personally have. They will remain no more personal. They will share with each other. As from her lord, her governor, her king. Myself and what is mine. See herself and whatever she has. To you and yours is now converted. Is now converted to Bassanio. Bassanio's. But now I was the lord of this fair mansion. Just before, she was the lady of the fair mansion. She was the mistress of the fair mansion. Means that fair, beautiful palace. Master of my servants. She was the head. She was the ruler, master of all her servants. Queen over myself. She was the queen in her own kingdom. That means she was not ready to be guided by anyone. She was not ready to listen to anyone. She was not ready to be servant of anyone. That is why she was the queen of herself. And even now, but now. But even now and but now. That means from now, what happens? This house, these servants, and this same myself, these servants, this palace, and more than that, Portia herself are yours, my lord. Everything belongs to Portia now. I give them with the ring. Now, there is some authority and there is some authentication. No? So, how will she authenticate Bassanio as the lord of everything? She will hand over the ring, hand over a special ring to Bassanio, which when you part from, lose or give away. If you part from means get separated with, lose or give away, gift it to someone. Underline these three lines, 175, 6 and 7. You must underline these three lines. Let it presage the ruin of your love. Let it presage means let it declare. If you lose it, it will declare the ruin means destruction of your love. That means Bassanio here got a ring of promise and he needs to keep it safe and be my vantage to exclaim on you, and she will get an opportunity to exclaim on you, to accuse you. If Bassanio loses this, it will announce the destruction of their love, and Portia will get a fair advantage, will get a fair reason to do what? To think that Bassanio does not love her properly, or to give her the reason. She will get the reason to say that Bassanio's love is not true. So, 175, 176 and 177, you must underline. These three are very important because these three are related to the scene, Act 5, Scene 1, that is called ring scene, and that scene is totally related to this very ring that Portia is given to Bassanio, because Bassanio will give this ring to a judge, that will be Portia in disguise, and because of that very matter there will be a disorder, there will be a chaos in Portia's palace. They will accuse Bassanio and Gratiano later. So, these three lines are very, very important, because later when we will read Act 5, Scene 1 or Act 4 scene 2, we will surely take reference of this very part. So I would stop it here. That is line number 177. For the next 3-4 days, what will we do? We will discuss the question answer in workbook instead of progressing further. Within this very part, from anywhere, even from Act 1 Scene 1, if you get any doubt, since Act 1 Scene 1 to Act 3 Scene 2 line number 177, if you find any doubt, feel free to ask that one, and I will surely answer you back. But what I am seeing that you are not asking that many questions that should be asked. I think that in next comment section or in WhatsApp, I will get plenty of questions that you have in your mind. It should get cleared. Now one more thing, those 2 poems we have, that is not poems, that the token they got inside the casket, that you that choose not by views, that summary of that one, and before that, that Ding Dong Bell, that means that song that was sung when Vasani was selecting the casket, you should go through properly summary of these 2. Now in via Tenno, a few assignments are provided, assignments. Now what you have to do, you have to write in any copy. Any copy means the copy used in class 9 for literature and language. You write in those copies, no problem, and you take clear and clean photographs of those writing and do send me via WhatsApp. I will go through your writing and I will check the errors, and if any kind of betterment can be done, I will surely advise that. So you must write at home, don't sit idle. You should write the answers and send me via WhatsApp. I will surely correct and send you back those. So thank you very much. Go through the video properly.